Welcome to Research Business Daily Report, where market researchers come for news, insights, and commentary about the market research field, and we provide them with knowledge and assorted valuable pieces of information that impact them both personally and professionally, including inside and outside their current place of work. Today on RBDR, the enhanced engagement offered by streaming content, followed by proof that facial reactions can predict a sales lift with great accuracy. And finally, the great demand for geolocation-based data is put to a statistical number. RBDR is sponsored today and this week by RFL Client Consulting, created to assist client market research departments as well as research agencies. Relying on our 23-plus years of up-close personal experiences, 300-plus interviews with client research department heads, and thousands of agency executives, we feel that we can help you. So what can we do for you? Well, how about investigating and steering your advertising and promotional and PR efforts behind new products and services? How novel are they really? And are you being clear in their novelty? So how much press and industry attention will they get? And could they get more? Then how about providing some assistance to you with your procurement department, helping them to focus on what really matters to you in research agency selection for a project. And while we're talking about agencies, how about your overall supplier selection? Our familiarity with so many of the industry's research vendors, big and small, niche and full service, and your research parameters can put a package together that will put you in better position when it comes to agency selection. Those are but a few of the unique RFL client consulting service offerings, and we're still in the process of developing a number of others which will elevate research effectiveness and efficiency. Find out more about RFL Client Consulting by visiting our homepage at rflonline.com. A Horwitz Research study reported that 53% of TV content viewers who streamed feel that they are more focused on and engaged with the shows that they watch via streaming compared to the same shows that they watch on regular TV. This report, called State of Viewing and Streaming 2017, notes that streaming allows viewers to control, to curate, and to binge their favorite content, and that impacts the perceived value of streaming services. Horwitz Senior VP of Insights and Strategy, Adriana Waterston, said the study reveals how streaming is impacting perceptions of the actual content people are watching. The positive impact of streaming on engagement with content is extending to advertising. 38% of streamers say they are more likely to pay attention to ads when they're watching something that is streamed, and it goes up to 45% among 18 to 34-year-olds. Moving on, a major study by the Mars Company in the UK has found that facial reactions can be highly predictive of the sales lift of an advertising campaign with 75% accuracy. And that offers hope that pre-testing, which doesn't always take place, can lead to creation of more effective campaigns. Emotional intelligence software agency Realeyes did the testing for Mars, and they involved 149 ads across 35 brands and over 22,000 people in 6 different countries. The respondent webcams measured facial expressions as they were exposed to the advertising, and that data was analyzed against Mars' existing sales lift data for each ad. Mars and Realeyes claim that this has created the largest emotional data set linked to real business outcomes. And finally, we discussed the U.S. Supreme Court upcoming decision-making authority concerning the freedom of anybody, particularly companies, to use cell phone location data, which basically ties into what you and I are doing and where we are at any given point. But there is a measured advertising trend study that shows that a 170% increase in demand has occurred for geolocation-based data. The mobile ad traffic in this project was quite extensive. Data from over 800 million unique monthly users around the world and involving over 2.5 million advertising requests every minute. Inneractive VP of Product Roni Anavi-Fass stated, quote, location data delivers a win-win-win situation, with users receiving more relevant ads and advertisers and publishers enjoying higher engagement. That's your Research Business Daily Report. We've been sponsored today and are this week by RFL Client Consulting. We can help you in a lot of different ways, and you can find out how by visiting rflonline.com and clicking on the link to RFL Client Consulting. We hope that this is a great research day for you, because we hope to see you back here tomorrow.